This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
This program is supported by PMEG Premium at Protect Plus Gold. Sama-sama sa laban, walang iwanan.
Welcome to Open for Business. Mapapanood nyo rin ang programang OFB sa Facebook at YouTube. Mag-like at mag-subscribe sa aming social media at Net25 TV. I am Cesar Vallejos. Welcome to Open for Business. Samahan ninyo kaming tuklasin ng iba't ibang pamamaraan kung paano mapaunlad ang inyong negosyo. Aalamin din natin mula sa mga eksperto ang mga pangunahing trends at mga estratehiya kung paano natin mapapanatiling ang negosyo, maliit man o malaki, ay maging laging open for business. Ang mga bangko ay kaagapay ng negosyo. Ngunit katulad ng lahat ng industriya, binago rin ng COVID-19 ang mga proseso na may kinalaman sa bangko. Quarantine restrictions and other safety protocols have required banks to shift their operations almost entirely online. Mahigit ng isang taon ang nakakaraan mula nung nagsimula ang pandemya. Paano ba nakakatulong ang serbisyo ng mga bangko sa pagninegosyo? Today, we'll find out how one bank is catering to its customers in the new normal. Tatalakayin ito ni Randy Bernardino, ang ating OFB correspondent mula sa Las Vegas, kasama ng ating mga bisita mula sa Security Bank. All this in this episode of Open for Business.
This portion is brought to you by Security Bank.
Broadcast journalist Wayne De La Fuente returns on Philippine television and radio to deliver top stories and engage with the country's policymakers, shapers, and movers. Tatalakayin ang mga pangunahing balita live sa teleradyo ng Net25 at Radyo Aguila DCEC 1062. Kasama si Wayne De La Fuente sa Balitalakayan.
Ako si Wayne De La Fuente at itong Balitalakayan, we live in interesting times.
Welcome back to Open for Business. I am Las Vegas correspondent Randy Bernardino, and with me from Security Bank Branching Group are Ana Oblenida and Jackie Alvarino. Magandang araw po, Miss Jackie and Miss Ana.
Hi, Sir Randy.
Magandang araw, Randy. Hi.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now, Security Bank has been in the local banking scene for 70 years now. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, you'll be celebrating your 70th anniversary this month. Wow, congratulations. Miss Ana, can you tell us more about that?
Thank you, Randy. Indeed, Security Bank has been serving Filipinos and businesses for over 69 years, and we are now approaching our 70th anniversary. Just to give our viewers a glimpse of Security Bank's history, let me share with you some important milestones. The bank was established in June 18, 1951, and was the first private Filipino-owned bank in the post-World War II era. Through the years, the bank experienced steady growth in many aspects. This include being the first bank in the 50s to have the most number of branches in the metro, and the expansion of the branch to provinces and regions all over Visayas and Mindanao in the 60s. The 70s marked the beginning of a new frontier wherein the first credit card franchise, known as Diner's Card, was offered by the bank. And in 1991, our current chairman emeritus, Mr. Frederick Y.D., took over Security Bank and has then introduced fresh initiative for the bank which have benefited a lot of customers today. In 2016, Randy, we entered into a strategic partnership with MUFG Bank of Japan, one of the largest banking group in Asia, which helped us expand our network and fulfill our goal of bridging global expertise to the local market. Since then, we continue to prove that we are a strong bank through the numerous awards that we received. From 2016 to 2018, the bank was awarded Bank of the Year by the Asian Banker. In 2019, we were also lauded as the best bank for SMEs by Asia Money. Just recently, the Asian Banker named Security Bank as the strongest bank in the Philippines for 2020 despite of the pandemic.
Wow, so many awards. You mentioned that Security Bank was awarded as the strongest bank in the Philippines for 2020. Now, Miss Jackie, can you tell us how did you achieve this despite the lingering pandemic?
Yes, Sir Randy, through service excellence and innovation, and by putting people first, we remain true to our better banking commitment. And this has allowed us to become the strongest bank in the Philippines for 2020. The Asian Banker, one of the premier award-giving bodies in the banking and finance sector, saw Security Bank outperform its peers in terms of profitability, maintaining the lowest cost-to-income ratio, while making sure that asset quality remains sound. This has meant that the bank, despite the challenges of the pandemic, was able to remain strong while protecting its employees, clients, and stakeholders from the economic effects of the pandemic. We have used our recent win as an inspiration to touch more lives through our products and services, may it be in retail space through our deposit and credit card products, or in commercial space through our Business Plus account and our DigiBanker service.
Wow. Now, Miss Jackie, since the start of the pandemic, how have your bank transactions changed?
Yes, we encourage our clients to do online banking instead of visit to the branch for their transactions, because it would be a lot more convenient for them and more safety for all of us as well.
That's true. Do we want to make sure that you have all of the safety protocols in place so that people feel comfortable coming into the bank? Now, Miss Anna, was Security Bank prepared for all of these changes brought about by the pandemic? Did you already have the infrastructure in place for digital banking?
That's a good question, Randy. Actually, the bank infrastructure was in place. Unfortunately, during the pandemic, it went up the demand for the usage. No, before most of the Filipino people during the pre-pandemic opt to go to the bank to do to do their personal banking needs. But come pandemic, for their safety, so there's a high demand to use the online facilities, especially the DigiBanker platform of Security Bank, in order to ensure their safety. So that's the brighter side of the changes that was brought about by the pandemic.
So, Miss Anna, if you could think, in your opinion, pag wala na yung pandemya and safe na lumabas, do you think people will continue to use digital banking or balik sila sa 100% in-person banking? What's your thoughts about that, Miss Anna?
I think people will get used to it, Randy, because first, the convenience of not getting out of their homes. And second, whatever they can do inside the bank, they can also access it in the comforts of their homes or office, especially for businessmen who are really busy. The traffic in Manila going in and out of the metropolis very hard. So they can maximize their time using this digibanker platform that we have. So I think that will be the in thing in the banking industry. More people will be using technology as compared with going to the bank personally.
Yes, that's true. It's more convenient. Now, Miss
More
Jackie,
convenient.
we're very interested to learn about the products of Security Bank. Can you tell us more about your retail products such as deposits and credit cards? And does Security Bank also offer insurance products, Miss Jackie?
Yes, Sir Randy. Security Bank offers a wide array of products and services for the retail market. This includes our Premier Deposit Account, the All Access Account, which is a savings and checking account in one, allowing clients to have a debit card, a passbook, and checkbook with just one account. It also comes with free life insurance with a coverage up to three times of the average daily balance. For those who are just starting out, we also have the Easy Savings Account, which is our basic savings account with an opening balance of 5,000 and a maintaining balance of 10,000. We also have various credit card selections that we tailored to the needs of Filipinos. We have our complete cashback MasterCard, which gives you up to 5% cashback on your essential purchases. If you are a big spender or simply prefer a higher credit limit, we also have our gold and platinum rewards cards, which earn points for every transaction that you make. Just recently, Sir Randy, we also launched our latest credit card offering called the Next Mastercard. The Next card automatically converts transactions above 5,000 to 12-month installments, making payments light and allowing you to get whatever's next on your shopping list. Another service that we offer is our Security Bank's credit card SimplyPay. It lets credit card holders conveniently pay for expenses that require bank deposit payments, such as rent, business suppliers, tuition fees, and professional service fees with their Security Bank credit card. And the most very significant also addition to our products, we also shortened the clearing of US dollar checks drawn from US banks, such as Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, and others. From the regular 30 to 45 days, we are now able to process it within 8 days. In fact, we are the first bank in the Philippines to offer the shortest clearing for these types of check.
Wow, a lot of new products that you're offering. Now, Miss Anna, nabanggit ni Miss Jackie, there's also insurance. Can you let us know about the insurance services and products that you're offering now, Miss Anna?
Yes, Randy, we want you to live life without worry by making sure you and your hard-earned money are financially protected. That's why Security Bank, in a partnership with FWD Insurance, offers traditional and investment-linked life insurance product to cater to your financial needs, making sure that you and your money are protected from anything. Through our bank assurance partner, we are able to offer various insurance products such as Set for Health, Set for Tomorrow, Set for Life, and All Set Higher plans. On top of lifestyle protection, and insurance plans lets you help your children achieve their dreams, start planning for a comfortable retirement, and get coverage for illnesses. So if you're excited with this product, you can visit or call us so that our financial advisor can discuss these various offerings.
That's good. So you mentioned that we can visit. Now, Miss Jackie, I know right now, medyo natatakot ng tao lumabas. Is it really safe right now, Miss Jackie, for them to come inside the branch?
Yes, with the recent surge of COVID-19 cases in the last few months, many Filipinos are hesitant to go to the branches because of possible exposure to the virus. But at Security Bank, we believe that providing excellent service doesn't always require face-to-face interaction. In response to restrictions brought about by COVID-19, we've leveraged digital channels to make sure that our clients will manage to fulfill their banking needs in real time.
Mhm. So a lot of good products and services you're offering right now. I really want to go through each one. Isa-isa natin. Now, Miss Anna, you're offering now about these checking and savings accounts. A lot of our viewers have not even opened a bank account before. Never pa sila nag-open ng account. And why should they consider opening up an account now, Miss Anna?
Well, Randy, I think they should open an account because number one, for their convenience, it's safe rather than carrying cash when they have the transaction. So it's a must also for us to stay at home, ensure our safety while we're doing our businesses, so we can enjoy digital banking at the convenience of our homes. So everyone must open an account in order for us to do what is necessary for our business and also to ensure the protection of everyone.
That's so true. Another product that you mentioned, Miss Jackie, is about credit cards. Now, there are still some people, ayaw talaga nila magkaroon ng credit card. They're so scared that if they have a credit card, all the more they're gonna spend their money. What's your message to the Miss Jackie? What can you tell them to ease their fears and not to be afraid about credit cards?
Yes, they must try credit card because it's just a matter of managing their finances. You know? We can help them if they're not comfortable or it would be their first time to avail of the credit card. We are here as a banker to guide them and to inform them on how to manage it and how they can maximize the benefit of having a credit card.
Yes, that's true. All the more ngayon, we're trying not to handle cash kasi
That's right.
mas safe, mas malinis pag credit card. Now, another concern, Miss Jackie, is about identity theft. So sometimes with credit cards, they're afraid baka mawala yung credit card or someone will steal their credit card and use their identity. Does Security Bank have any safeguards in place to let people know that if this happens, we will protect you? What services do you have about that?
Yes, for the credit card holders, would like to inform them also that they have to safeguard their credit cards, and if for lost cards, they should inform the bank immediately. And for fraud transactions, they can report us to us immediately also for us to be able to investigate and refund or reverse whatever transaction based on the investigation. There would be flaws, of course. There's no such thing as perfect, but we assure the public that the bank is on top of it, whatever transactions they make with us.
So that's why credit card holders, they really need to be vigilant. Diba? They always have to check all the transactions. Oh, did I really spend this one? Did I use that? I say that because it happened to me last week. I get a phone call that someone is using my credit card at the casino. Kasi I live here in Las Vegas, di ba? And iniwasan ko talaga ang casino. And then all of a sudden, I see this charge here. So-and-so casino, $300. Sabi ko, hindi ako yun. So I called my bank right away, and they knew that was already a fraudulent charge. So credit card holders, they can feel safe that the bank is on your side, that these charges can be reversed, and that they don't have anything to be worried about. So many good products that we've learned on the retail side. When we come back to Open for Business, we'll learn more about Security Bank's products. So stay tuned.
Sa panahon na laganap ang mga sakit, katuwang nyo ang BMEG Premium at Protect Plus Gold. Gawa sa state-of-the-art facilities ang BMEG Premium Feeds. Kaya ito ay safe, sanitized, and hygienic. Walang dalang sakit, certified, malinis, sariwa at sigurado. At para laging malinis ang paligid, gumamit ng Protect Plus Gold. Isang safe broad-spectrum disinfectant na pumapatay ng mga virus, bacteria at fungi. BMEG Premium at Protect Plus Gold. Sama-sama sa laban, walang iwanan.
Tayong mga Filipino, likas na palabati. Sanay rin tayong makipagkamay. Pero dahil na rin sa COVID pandemic, isinusulong ang pagbati na hindi na kailangan pang makipagkamay. Ang pambansang pagbati. Ito ay ang pagdampi ng kanang palad sa gitnang bahagi ng dibdib, kasabay ng bahagyang pagyukod ng ulo o paibabang tingin at pagsambit ng mga salitang nagpapahayag ng pagbati, paggalang o pagpupugay. Pagkatapos nito ay ang pag-angat ng ulo ng nakangiti at nakatingin sa mata ng binabati. Pambansang pagbati, pagpapakita ng paggalang, kababaang loob at pagiging sensero nating mga Filipino.
Welcome back to Open for Business. With me are Anna Oblenida and Jackie Alvarino from Security Bank. Now, Miss Anna, we were talking before about the products of Security Bank. What are the products that you have now for businesses, Miss Anna?
Apart from our other retail services, Randy, clients and businesses can also approach us for their business needs. We have our Business Plus account, which is specifically made for businesses big and small. This is coupled with our award-winning cash management platform known as DigiBanker. So the Business Plus is the perfect business partner that provides all your company's banking needs. You get to focus on business operation while we take care of the rest as your banker. With flexible terms and innovative features, this account will keep up with you and your growing business. DigiBanker also offers a lot of services and modules that are made to address the needs of businesses. This includes government payments, payroll, disbursement, and other features a business might need. Business owners can simply visit a security bank or even schedule an online account opening with us, and they will experience our unique better banking service. Apart from access to DigiBanker, Business Plus users can also get up to 5 debit cards that can be used for their business transaction needs.
Wow. Now, Miss Jackie, how can these people open up this type of business account?
Yes, so Randy, adding to what Miss Anna said, you can open this account online for your safety and convenience. Just log in to www.securitybank.com/businessplusnow. They have to fill out the online form and attach the account opening documents. They may keep the reference number, and once the form is completed, they can print and sign the application details sent to their email address. They can also participate in the virtual interview via Skype for validation. So once validated, the account will be opened and they can now start funding it. A branch representative will deliver the checkbook and passbook and pick up the required documents.
Wow, so very easy, Miss Jackie. Now, Miss Anna, will these services of Security Bank really elevate the operations of MSMEs? What's the benefit of going with Security Bank for our small business owners, Miss Anna?
Actually, as I've mentioned, you just leave all the banking transaction with us so that you can focus on the most essential part of the business, which is monitoring all your transactions. So we will be your partners in ensuring that your business will grow with us. And if you need a loan, we can also give it to you so that you will have an extra working capital. we are here to assist really the MSMEs in order for our economy also to improve. No? We welcome a lot of business owners. We have a lot of program for them that we can offer, Randy. So please do not hesitate to get in touch with us if you have any banking needs. No? As mentioned by Jackie, in doing banking transaction in Security Bank, we ensure a seamless process. Very easy for those who are starting up with a business, and we can also adapt for those complicated type of a business. So just leave all the banking transaction and other business needs with Security Bank so that you can focus on what is most important. That is really managing your finances and managing your business very well.
Mhm. So we're sure that a lot of our viewers are curious and interested in availing of Security Bank services that are made for both retail and corporate clients. Can you share with us where and how can they learn more about your offerings?
Okay, so go ahead, Jackie, go ahead.
Yes, for more
It's
information
time to promote your branch. Go ahead.
for products and services, our viewers can visit our Security Bank's website at www.securitybank.com. Here they can also visit our blog for stories and tips for banking, finance, and investments. Clients can also enjoy the convenience and safety of online account opening, both for individual and business accounts. However, if there's really a need to go to the bank, you may visit the nearest Security Bank branch in your area. And please be reminded that we strictly observe safety protocols in the branches to ensure your safety. We're currently limiting the number of clients who will be allowed to enter the branch at any given time so we can observe social distancing. We're also asking our clients to fill out our online health checklist to support our contact tracing efforts. As we celebrate our 70th year in the coming weeks, we enjoin everyone to visit and check out Security Bank's products and services to experience better banking because you deserve better.
Well, thank you so much for that, Miss Anna and Miss Jackie. And I'd like to already greet Security Bank a happy 70th anniversary.
Thank you so much, Randy.
Reporting as the Las Vegas correspondent, I am Randy Bernardino. Open for Business will be back. Stay tuned.
This portion is brought to you by North Luzon Express Terminal.
Events happen around us all the time, in our community, in our country, around the world. Events that affect people, move communities, or simply inspire us. Interesting events that people need to know. In these interesting times, we continue to be a competent partner in delivering news about these events. Fast, accurate, balanced, eagle news, because we live in interesting times.
Open for Business is back, and our business term for the week is from usnews.com. It's digital wallet. A digital wallet is a payment system that protects users' banking information and passwords and allows consumers to make safe transactions without using cash. Today, we learned that the pandemic has not hindered the banking industry. Rather, it has been an opportunity for innovation, with new products and services being offered to customers, and some even catered to MSMEs. Digital banking is here to stay and will benefit big and small businesses alike. And with that, our quote of the week is from author Ayn Rand. She said, Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng OFB, and thank you to our OFB Las Vegas correspondent Randy Bernardino and our guests from Security Bank, Ms. Annalisa Castro Oblenida and Jackie Alvarino. Samahan nyo kaming uli sa Open for Business sa susunod na linggo. Learn more insights from CEOs, thought leaders, industry experts, and SMEs promoting business development in the Philippines, keeping you informed and open for business, and be ahead of the curve from vision to action. Panoorin din ang programang OFB sa Facebook at YouTube. Mag-like at mag-subscribe sa aming social media at Net25 TV. Para sa Open for Business, ako po si Cesar Vallejos. We live in interesting times.
This program is supported by BMEG Premium at Protect Plus Gold. Sama-sama sa laban, walang iwanan. Security Bank.